Gina, Gina. In Mabaan is what, what. Gina, Gina. In Arabic is sunu, 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 or soon, soon, sunu. Gina, Gina. What, what. Gina is what. If somebody said Gina, you can say bow in Mabaan, bow, nothing. Bow means nothing. Or you can say Gina yayan bow. Gina yayan bow. And you say nothing. Nothing's bad. No problem. Gina yayan bow. Agina, what's up? Agina means what's up? What's going on? What's up? What's happening? Agina, Agina. What's up? Agina, what's up? If somebody said Agina, what's up? You would say Gina yayan gel bala be. Gina yayan gel bala be. You can say Gina yayan gel bala be. Gina yayan gel bala be. Nothing is bad. Nothing is horrible. So nothing is happening. Gina yayan gel bala be. Or you can say Gina yayan bow. Gina yayan bow. No problem. No problem. Nothing. You can say just Gina bow mean no problem. Nothing. Nothing. Again, when somebody says to you, Agina, just really fast, Agina, Gina bow, or Gina gel balabe. Gina gel balabe. Gina gel balabe. Agina, Gina gel balabe. Agina, what's up? Gina gel balabe. Nothing. Nothing's happening. Or Gina bow. Gina bow. Nothing. Chopper, cat. Chopper, chopper, cat. Agina, nin. Agina, nin. So mean is, gina is what, and nin is this. So it's saying what's this? And you can say chopper, chopper. Hadith, hadith, hadith in Arabic, hadith, a cat, chopper. So again, in African or black, you would say gina nin, agina nin. So gina nin. What's this? Gina nin. Agina nin. What's this? agina, nin. So you have to have loud. You have to be upright. It's a question. Agina, nin. Agina, nin. What's this? What's this? Agina, nin. Agina, nin. What's this? And you would say, or you say, chapa, cat, or hadith in Arabic. Hadith, chapa, cat, cat. Yuan, yuan, agina, nin. Agina, nin. Agina, nin. Agina, nin. What's this? Agina, nin. Agina, nin. What's this? What's this? You say yuan or yuanu, 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 yuanu. Agina, nin. Agina, nin. Agina, nin. What's this? What's this? You say, or you would say, yuanu, yuanu. Pum, 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 pum. Agina, nin. Agina, nin. What's this? What's this? What's this? Agina, nin. What's this? Agina, nin. You say pum, pum, or you can say puma, nin. Puma, nin. Pum, pum, pum is mountain. Pum is mountain. Pum is mountain or mountain. Pum is mountain. In Arabic is Jabal. Jabal. Jabal Bithai. Jabal Bithai. Jabal Bithai. Or Jabali. My mountain. Pumya. Pumya. Puma Bien. Puma Bien. Highest mountain. Highest mountain. Jabal al Tawil. Jabal al Tawil. Pum, 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 mountain. Pum, mountain. Pum, mountain. Pum, mountain. Jabal, Jabal, Jabali, Jabali. My mountain, my mountain. Pumya, 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 Pumya. So Pum, yeah, you're saying my mountain. You are saying my mountain, my mountain. I'm saying my mountain. Pumya, Pumya, Pumya. So again, when you're saying, what is this? What's this? What's this? What's this? Agina, nin. Agina, nin. Agina, nin. Agina, nin. So it depends on the voice, right? Agina, nin. Agina, nin. What's this? What's this? What's this? Agina, nin. Agina, nin. very quick, you know. Agina nini. Agina nini. Agina nini. What's this? What's this? What's this? Agina nini. Agina nini. Agina nini. Agina nini. What's this? What's this? And you say, pum, 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 pum. Or you can say, puma nini. Or you can say, pum nini, pum nini, pum nini, pum nini. This is mountain. What's this? This is a mountain.